Are you confused between a water heater with a tank or tankless water heater? We'll make your doubt clear. This is the tank water heater, bigger and harder to place. Can't provide continuous hot water, can't set specific temperature, shorter lifespan, etc. And this is the tankless water heater. Compact, space-saving design, continuous flow of hot water, precise temperature control, and longer lifespan. Now here are top 5 tankless water heaters. 5. EcoSmart. Largest in the line of EcoSmart. For installation of this unit, it requires a 4x40 double pole draw and 150 amps on the circuit breaker. 4. Rinnai RL94EP, outdoor propane tankless water heater. It comes in with a higher price tag. It's ENERGY STAR certified with an energy factor of 0.82. 3. Takagi TKJR2INNG, indoor tankless water heater. It's a natural gas tankless water heater. It's also ENERGY STAR certified with an energy factor range of 0.81 to 0.83. 2. Rinnai RUC98IN, Ultra Series Natural Gas Tankless Water Heater. It offers 2 installation options in one unit. The Rinnai RUC98IN is certified through ENERGY STAR with a rating of 0.96. 1. Stiebel Eltron Tempra 24 Plus Electric Tankless Whole House Water Heater. Stiebel is a great whole house water heater. Energy bills went down by almost 20% in most cases, so you can choose from the top 5 according to your budget and requirements. To discover more about tankless water heaters, please check out our web, www.tanklesswaterheaterguide.com.